What should I do if my home is not selling? There's three critical components to having success when you're trying to sell your home. It's price, presentation, and promotion. If any of those three are off, you're probably in trouble and not getting the results that you want. One of the things that we've seen consistently in the Phoenix metro market this year is homes are sitting on the market longer, and there have been a lot of headlines about inventory accumulating, and there's a lot of misinformation, especially on social media, about an impending housing crash, and they're quoting all these crazy statistics. And the truth is that yes, there's an increased amount of inventory, but the reason is, I believe, that there's inventory that's accumulating. And what I mean by that is if your home is priced appropriately and presents a strong value proposition in the market, it should sell in a matter of weeks. That may be 3 weeks, it may be 6 weeks, but it shouldn't be months and months. And so what we're seeing is inventory that's overpriced and not in good condition and most often not marketed well. And that's the inventory that's accumulating on the market, and that's kind of skewing statistics. The reality, though, is there are more choices for buyers right now. And even though the pace of absorption in terms of number of buyers buying has remained fairly constant going through this year because of a lot of the headlines and consumer confidence and the fact that we are at an inventory level which signals more of a balanced market for our area right now, that's creating the perception that buyers have a lot of leverage, and right now they do. We've sold a number of homes this year that were previously listed with other agents unsuccessfully, and we're also in regular conversations with sellers who are thinking about selling and wanting to make the right choices of when and what to do and how to approach the market that we're in right now. Those conversations for us always center around what we call the 3 Ps, and that's price, presentation, and promotion. We're going to talk more about what each of those essentials are, but critically important is where you price the house and how much it is in alignment with where the market is moving is going to make a significant determination in the experience that you have and the time it takes your home to sell. The second component is presentation. How your house shows to buyers, remedying any deferred maintenance, neutralizing any strong finishes, making sure the house shows spick and span and clean and shiny, are all critically important so that the buyer has a great experience when they walk through the door. And then the third one is promotion. And promotion is the marketing that we do. It's no longer effective to stick a sign in the yard and post a property in the MLS with a few pictures and hope and pray that it's going to sell. The reality is you have to be proactive in your marketing. And so every single week we are scheduling open houses. We're promoting on social media. We're doing Zillow showcase listings. We're doing all the different things, including reaching out to other agents in the area and prospecting for buyers for your home. If you're thinking about making a move this year and you're curious about what's really going on in the market, you need some help, some professional perspective to understand the data that's really relevant to you. It's not found in the headlines, it's not found on social media, and it's certainly not found from a lot of the people that want to weigh in on what you should do. So reach out to us, let's have a conversation. We're here to help.